In this video, we learn about this plant tissue culture. Plant tissue culture. Botany, Unit 8, Biotechnology, Chapter 5. Growing plant protoplast cells, tissues or organs away from their natural or normal environment under artificial condition is known as tissue culture. It is also known as in vitro growth of plant protoplast cells, tissues and organs. In vitro means it is a Latin word. It means that in glass or in test tube. A single explant can be multiplied into several thousand plants in short period and space under controlled conditions. Tissue culture techniques are often used for commercial production of plants as well as for plant research. Plant tissue culture serves as an indispensable tool for regeneration of transgenic plants. Apart from that, some of main applications of plant tissue culture are clonal propagation of elite varieties, conservation of endangered plants, production of virus-free plants, germplasm preservation, industrial production of secondary metabolites, etc. So in this chapter we discussed Gottlieb Hamberland, the German botanist, proposed the concept totipotency, and he was also the first person to culture plant cells in artificial conditions using the mesophyll cells of Lamium purpureum in culture medium and obtained cell proliferation. He is recorded as a father of tissue culture. What is tissue culture? So tissue culture is a technique of raising plants in vitro from its different organs, tissues or cells by microsurgery under aseptic conditions. Broadly speaking, the concept owes its origin to a German botanist, Hamberland, 1902, who stated that every living plant cell has the ability to regenerate the whole plant. Every living plant cell has the ability to regenerate the whole plant. This concept is called totipotency. So every diploid cell, when given proper environment, should become like a fertilized egg. Stephan and co-workers took small pieces of phloem tissues of carrot roots. When these mature and non-dividing cells were grown in the nutrient medium coconut milk, they underwent division to form the cell suspension. Plants have now raised from plants can rise from this organs, tissues or even from a single cell by in vitro culture technique. So which involves the following steps. What are the following steps? First one, preparation of nutrient medium, providing aseptic conditions, provision of proper aeration. So this is that. So Hamberland is a father of tissue culture. Who is the father of tissue culture? Hamberland is the father of tissue culture. Hamberland is the father of tissue culture. He is a German botanist. So you have to first Labium purpureum, the plant. So artificial conditions for that Labium purpureum. So in this propagation takes place in the Parabium purpureum. So next move to the basic concept of tissue culture. Basic concept of tissue culture. Basic concept of plant tissue culture or totipotency, differentiation, de-differentiation, re-differentiation. Totipotency, the property of living plant cells that they give the genetic potential when cultured in nutrient medium to give rise to a complete individual plant. So already I told that totipotency, living plant cell has the ability to regenerate the whole plant. That is totipotency. So what is the totipotency? Totipotency is a genetic material of a plant cell to produce the entire plant. To produce the entire plant. So in other words, totipotency is a cell characteristics in which the potential for forming all the cell types in the adult organism is retained. So next one, differentiation. So the process of biochemical and structural changes. So become specialized forms and functions. That is differentiation. So next one, re-differentiation. So further this cells divided. So the further differentiation of already differentiated cell into another type of cell. For example, when a component of a cell is called as the ability to form the whole plant in the nutrient medium, then phenomenon is called re-differentiation. Re-differentiation means, what is the re-differentiation? So colors are formed. So and the colors are formed, they are able to regenerate that new plant in the nutrient medium, by the nutrient medium. That is called re-differentiation. So next one, de-differentiation. The phenomenon reversion of mature cells to the metastatic state leading to the formation of calyx is called de-differentiation. So these two phenomena of re-differentiation and de-differentiation are inherent capacities of living plant cells or tissues. This is described as totipotency. De-differentiation and re-differentiation only based on this plant's totipotency. This is the basic concept of the tissue culture. It's a very important question. It is very important question. So first one, totipotency. So totipotency is a genetic material of a plant cell to produce the entire plant. So totipotency is a cell characteristics in which the potential for forming all the cell types in the adult organism is retained. Differentiation. So first one, you listen. So this is the carrot plant. So you take this X plant. So take that X plant. So this is that X plant. Do you know that X plant means? So which disease is selected from this plant? So which tissue? So in the tissue one, in the plant that is X plant. So you have to cultivate it in this culture medium. The cultivated in this culture medium, bring that the new plant. You bring that the new varieties of this plant. So that is the X plant. You have to take this X plant. So it may be the cells, it may be the tissues, it may be these organs. So which you want, you have to select this pot. So next X plant in nutrient medium. So you prepare this nutrient medium. So nutrient medium may be this MS medium, so goose medium. So you have to select it. Next one, it is callus are formed. It is a callus means it is a group of cells. It is not differentiated in this cells. So next one, early embryo is formed. So next it is a lat embryo. So further you have to gardening to form this plantlets in the test tube. So next you go to this field. The green goes and all the things. So it's finished. For this you have to put in this soil. You bring a new plant. You bring a new plant. That is the basic concept of tissue culture. So next we learn about this plant tissue culture.